This is a Dainichi Mg75 by 300. That is a 29.5 inch swing by 118 inch centers. The machine has a power quill on the tailstock. It's a manual drag movement by the carriage to move the tailstock. The machine has a couple of nice steady rests with it, a turbo chip conveyor, the machine is equipped with a 15-inch Kitagawa chuck, a Fanuc 18T control. There's a 4-position front turret and an 8-position rear turret. We're going to go ahead and run the machine. This machine has a 3.34 inch spindle bore, 25 horsepower main drive. That's 3 geared ranges with spindle RPMs from 3 to 1800. Just showing the 3-jaw 15-inch Kitagawa power chuck operating there. This is the Fanuc 18T control. It's on a pendant that moves the length of the bed of the machine. The Fanuc 18T control is equipped with the FAP programming system, the Fanuc conversational, with color graphics as well. Nice feature. This machine has 3 geared ranges, and we're going to go through just a couple speeds in the low range, a couple speeds in the medium range, and a couple speeds in the high range. What speed is this? 100. This is 100. .250 RPM, spindle headstock sounds just great. Brake comes on, works very well. There's a gear change. 350 RPM in the medium gear range. .500 RPM, still in the medium gear range. We're going to go on up to the high RPMs now. There's a jog with the gear change. .700 RPM. That is 1800 RPM, the high range. Runs very, very nice. This is a shot of the back of the machine. It's very well buttoned up with removable panels for access to the rear of the machine. It's a really nice machine. Has not been used hard or abused at all. The machine is available for inspection under power.